Hi, another day at the Henderson Inn in Destin, Florida. And Brian sent me a video yesterday that I thought was important and I wanted to share with you. Now, I don't have my desktop computer, so I don't have the ability to do some of the editing and include the video, but I want to talk to you about the unintended or unexpected consequences that is happening as a result of the GPU power of compute. It's increased the capacity of compute by some 1,000% by moving up from CPUs to GPUs. And Charles Liang, the CEO of Supermicro, in this video that Brian sent me, shared that the unintended consequences or the unforeseen consequence is the increased amount of heat that are generated by GPUs as opposed to CPUs, and the problems that's incurring as to how to get rid of that heat. Because you can imagine if this semiconductor generates a lot of heat and then the process has to be transferred from that semiconductor to another semiconductor until it cools down, you decrease the efficiency, you decrease the ability for it to compute, which then doesn't make it economically as good as if it continued. So the answer is air conditioning.